we get back to court, let's bring back in criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor Judge Michael Brown. Let me ask you this. Is this death by a thousand cuts? Is this defense attorney doing enough to really ruin the credibility of this witness?
Yeah, I agree with Mike in his assessment of indignant. I think he's doing a great job. He's hitting on all the points. The prosecution is doing all they can to put this fella behind the wheel of the car. And the defense attorney has made some great points in the sense that he's biased. He's creating these theories up the last minute to try to bolster their case. He's doing a nice job. And although his tone is somewhat indignant, I think as the cross-examination moves forward, it becomes evident why.
Michael, the judge, her complaint was, or her thought was, that if you're rude to a witness, that looks bad in front of the jury. Do you find that, again, there's that line where I think indignant is important here because this is a witness that he thinks is not telling the truth, is an instrument of the state, et cetera, but he's going at him hard, but not necessarily rude. But if he crosses that line, how problematic is that?
Well, it is problematic, especially if now the jury starts sympathizing with the witness. So that could be a problem. I generally like to start off easy and as the case goes forward, maybe increase the tone, for lack of a better word. This attorney is doing it from the get-go, but in the end, if his points are well taken, I think it's very effective, and I don't think the jury will sympathize at all with the witness if that's what's getting across.
Yeah, he came out, and the first question, Michael, was, hey, is this junk science? And that sort of laid the foundation for what was going to happen during this cross-examination. So you're right, he did not warm up in the bullpen at all, as we call it. All right, Mike, stand by.
That's a theory, and he did nice. He started off with that, and he just followed it through, and I think it's becoming very effective.
Yeah, I agree 100%. All right, let's take folks back into the courtroom now for continued cross-examination.